Assalamu alaikum dear. Today I can unlock Zambian modem MTN Huawei E5573Cs-609. So now you see this is modem is SIM card status is locked. This is software version and model status SIM lock. So I can unlock this modem. Now command is run to download mode flash mode command, and second flash unlock file. No need to open this file is flash to simply. No need to open MiFi. Without open, just MiFi connect on data cable and flash this file. Now you see this modem is after flash successfully is unlocked, status unlock done. So my name is Mudassir Ali. This is my online service. This is my online client. So if you need my service, contact on my WhatsApp. I can online remotely unlock any MiFi. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.